Welcome to Finland. A little bit like Switzerland, but also very much not like Switzerland. Right now I'm at the Porsche winter ice training. I've just finished my last few days drifting around here in a 992 GT3. I have had, I kid you not, the best time of my life up here. And it does not end yet. Right now I've just picked up the new all-electric Macan. I've been really looking forward to drive this car. I think it looks really, really nice, and I've just heard good things about it. So currently I'm in a place called Levi. Today I'm going to go and explore that for a bit, hopefully find some nice photo locations, as well as getting to know the car. Let's jump inside the car, go for my first drive, and actually give you guys a little tour around here before we head out onto the road for my first road driving experience in the new all-electric Macan. So let's go for a quick lap around this Porsche dreamland, as I call it. Just a Porsche paradise. Put my seat heating on, I think. Got the steering wheel heating on also. Bit of luxury in here, even has massage seats if you wish. So to be exact, this is the Macan 4 being full drive, of course. So I drove this for the first time yesterday, and my first impressions were honestly really, really good. I think the first thing that caught my attention was just that how fun it is, and how the majority of the power goes to the rear. It's rear-wheel drive biased, and something that I noticed straight away, it feels a little bit Dakar-ish, especially when you have the Dakar in rally mode. There is a similarity, and believe it or not, there is also a slight similarity to a 911, because as far as I'm aware, there is also a bit more weight on the rear of this car as you would have in the 911. I think that comes from the electric motor. The battery is center, but it honestly is just a fun car, and it is way more fun than you would imagine. I promise you that. But right now, just driving to the end of one side of the playground, the Porsche playground here in Levi, Finland. If you look on the right there, you can see all of these different numbers. These are all the different tracks. They go on for a very long time. I've also spoke to a couple of Porsche instructors here, and they all said how much fun they had in this car. It is super impressive on the drift circuit. It wants to slide. It wants to go sideways as much as it wants to just be the perfect daily driver. Fully charged, it will also do 613 kilometers. Plenty of range. It's just a really nice size, a really nice weight. Plenty of range, playful. It does really tick a lot of boxes. It looks like a Porsche. It feels like a Porsche, and it really does drive like a Porsche. And we're now driving through a Dakar/GT3 field. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 GT3s. 992 GT3s, a couple of Dakars. Super, super cool. As I said, this really is a dreamland. Back end comes out, look at this, really, really fun, super controllable. Honestly, in the snow or up a mountain pass, I really believe this would be a lot of fun. And changing from normal to sport mode as well makes a big difference. Also with the low center of gravity, adds to that whole special playful feeling. Suspension is crazy nice. Again, switching between modes, you have the best of both worlds. For me, I've always said if I wanted an SUV, I would personally, for what I need anyway, I would go for a Macan. Also for things like parking in the city, it's just not too big. It really is such a usable car. I know there's no engine sound obviously, as it's electric, but because it's so nice to drive and so fun, it honestly doesn't bother me in this car, in a Macan. Absolutely no problems that it's electric. Anyway, so as you've seen, this is the back roads all around the Porsche ice driving experience, I need to turn around. And there's only one way to do that in conditions like this, with a fun car like this. Does not hang around this car. And I kid you not, I'm going to say it a million times, it really is fun, this car. Really would have been a highlight to get some pictures with the all-new electric Macan next to some reindeers in Finland. Very typical, I know, but something we really wanted to do. And as you can see behind me, we have found some. So we basically have found a reindeer farm, and the owners were kind enough to just bring us out, I think, 6 reindeers. Super cool. People here are so nice. Just finished taking some pictures, so really happy to tick that box off, shooting a Porsche with some reindeers in Finland. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Katarina.
Katarina, thank you, Katarina. Really kind of you. People are so nice. How old are these?
They are 5 to 7 years.
Okay. I know they're looking for food, right? Normally they have to
They
pull.
pull sledges.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one's so pretty. What a nice place. Oh. Do they like fighting?
Yeah.
Okay, they do. We have a little reindeer battle going off there. Right now heading up a hill that I've been suggested to for sunset, which is setting on my right here now. And what a nice day it's been. Reindeers, definitely a highlight. So what I would like to do is finish off with some nice sunset pictures, if possible. And I've just been enjoying every single minute in this car. It's such a pleasure to drive. And it really suits, actually, this location, this mini Arctic adventure I'm having. And as I've seen, Finland is actually a really quiet place. It's really calm and quiet people. It's been really nice. Beautiful sun. You can see on my face, at least anyway, the sunset reflecting on me. I have no idea where I am, by the way. This was just a location recommended to me. Top of the hill, they said. The only way to turn around. There we go, look at that. Wow. That is a view. How nice is this? As I said, the calmness of this car fits up here so well. It really is a calm place, calm people, super nice people. Very pretty. As I said, for me especially, it's funny coming from Switzerland. It's on one hand the same, on the other hand, very different. One other thing I forgot to mention actually that I've just remembered. It is my birthday today. I honestly have forgot. I woke up this morning, forgot it's my birthday. Then I remembered, and then I forgot, and now I just remembered it. And I sat here thinking to myself, what a nice day this has been. And now ending with the sunset, spending a day in a Porsche in Finland with Porsche, visited a reindeer farm. Honestly, this has been without a doubt the nicest birthday I've had in a very long time. I'm not someone that does birthday parties or big celebrations or anything like that. And now just sitting here, I had a moment and I just thought, wow, actually, what a nice way I've spent my birthday today. Later that evening, I headed out to charge the Macan so it would be ready for my early morning drive to the airport. I found the local Ionity charging bay. The process was easy, and after taking a few pictures, because I thought it looked very cool sat there in the low light, the Macan was already back at 80%. Now it's time for me to check out of the hotel and head to the airport, ending my adventure here in Finland. I packed my luggage in the Macan, which, as you can see, has plenty of room. The last days, it was simply a pleasure jumping in this each morning, especially in such cold conditions. I felt like I had a trip of a lifetime here with Porsche the last week, and the Macan will be missed. Thank you to Porsche for having me, and thank you to everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Time to head off to my next adventure. See you all again soon. Ciao for now.